And our debate is simple. We are asking whose land is it anyway? I'd like to begin by saying this land does not belong to the Congress. This land does not belong to the NCP. This land certainly does not belong to the BJP. But the way in which land is given away at critical times with undue haste, clearances are given, of course questions will be raised. But the fact is everyone's got some little skeleton up their cupboard. So Rahul Narvekar of the NCP and Sanjay Jha of the Congress party representing one point of view. Suresh Prabhu, former minister in the NDA government with the Shiv Sena, and Sanjay Jha of the Congress party representing one point of view. But Kumar Ketkar, let me start with you. Does the Congress have its cupboards clean, or is the Congress skeleton, for example, this particular new report about the way in which land clearances were given by the Urban Development Ministry in conjunction with the Haryana government right on the eve of the election results raises questions about whether the Congress party has the moral and ethical base to be asking questions about Adani and what the Gujarat government gave. Mr. Ketkar, what do you think?
Well, actually, Arnab, you will recognize the simple fact that in capitalism, no party in power is completely innocent, either with the bureaucracy or with the real estate bourgeoisie or the capitalist class, because they are all hand in glove. Let me make a very blunt statement that Congress was not running a socialist or communist government. Congress was running a capitalist government. Just as Narendra Modi was giving concessions to Adani, Ambani, earlier on, Ambanis were supposed to be the proteges of Congress. And now suddenly they have become friends and proteges of Modi. So I think this business of nexus between bureaucracy, political class, ruling party and the capitalist class is not something new. It is not at all new, and therefore I will not be surprised. So only thing I can say is that if Election Commission finds violation of code of conduct, it must take action irrespective whether it is a Congress party, BJP or any other party.
Mr. Ketkar,
the point is that does not make Modi innocent. That does not make Modi innocent.
I'm not saying Modi innocent. What about the Congress party?
Or Adani or Ambani
No, what
innocent?
about the Congress party? I'm not saying Modi innocent.
Yeah, so
by the way, Mr. Ketkar.
Congress party, I am saying that let action be taken by Election Commission against any Congress person,
one second.
Any Congress leader,
please,
if they have violated election conduct.
You see, you would agree with me, and Mr. Ketkar, let me begin by saying that despite my tremendous personal regard for you and for your huge experience and reputation as a journalist, I find myself today completely opposed to the argument which you make, which respect, Mr. Ketkar. This is not capitalism.
No.
If this is capitalism, this is crony capitalism.
But I am not defending Congress.
This is crony capitalism.
Okay, call it crony capitalism. I don't mind. I am not. Yes, I agree with you.
No,
I agree with you.
This is a crony capitalism.
That it can be crony capitalism. I am not saying capitalism.
Okay, so
I am not saying capitalism is better than crony capitalism. I totally agree with you.
My question to Sanjay Jha is, Mr. Jha, and after this is opening up, by the way, anyone can come in, anyone can interrupt. We're going into an open debate right now, right after this. My question to Sanjay Jha is, on the one side, Congress party says, Adani, terrible, you give land to Adani, fine. You ask Adani all the questions, the media also will, but what on earth is the Congress party doing UPA government 2.5 weeks before the results are to be announced in unnatural haste, changing land use norms to allow the entry of big private builders in Gurgaon and open up over 500 hectares of prime land to be used by builders? When your environment minister does not agree with it, the Huda government sits down, your bureaucrats don't agree with it, right? The haste with which you try to pass a decision which will allow private developers to make huge landmark profits. Is this a time to be doing that? Why are you doing it? Are you not scared of the law that tomorrow it will all catch up with you?
Yeah. Arnab, let me answer your question. Now, where the Adani issue is concerned, let's be very clear. Let's not mix up the two.
No, we'll come to Adani later. You answer what happened. Answer what happened in the Urban Development Ministry. What happened in the Haryana government.
But let's not compare. Fair enough. Let's not compare apples and oranges. Adani issue is a clear and a brazen case of corruption and crony capitalism. Let me answer this one for you. There are two critical aspects that you need to really know. Number one, that as per there are regulations on conservation. There's a natural conservation law.
Sir.
Now you can and you are allowed up to a maximum of 0.5%. Now to the best of my knowledge, that has not been violated.
You're wrong
That's
again. It has
permitted
been.
by
It
law.
has been.
Secondly,
It's been opened up. No,
it
I'll
has not
prove you
been.
wrong.
It has not been.
Mr.
I
Sanjay Jha,
have-
let
I
me.
have-
No,
I
Mr.
can
Sanjay
tell
Jha,
you-
1 second.
I can
Mr.
tell
Sanjay
you-
Jha, please
can I
let me.
finish?
No, you are wrong.
Can I finish?
No, but you are wrong,
It has
Mr.
not
Jha.
been violated.
Mr.
Let me
Jha,
finish.
Mr. Jha, a
Arnab,
regional.
I'm not wrong because I know it. I don't know what
Mr. Jha,
evidence
you don't
have.
know the
Point
full
number two,
detail.
just
You
let me
need to be
finish.
told about it
Let
because
me finish.
sometimes politicians think that
Let
they are
me
more
finish.
too clever
I
by
know-
half, and it appears to me that just as Mr.
Arnab,
Raja thought, just as
Arnab,
Mr.
let me
Raja thought,
finish
just
my
as Mr.
second
A.
point.
Raja thought
The
that he could
Election
get away with it.
Commission-
In this particular case, Mr. Jha, hear me out. It is
Arnab.
very clear. Please hear me out, Mr.
Arnab,
Jha.
hear
Please
me
hear
out
me
for a
out.
minute.
People need to know this.
Okay.
People need to know. What has been added is in one sentence. A bunch of politicians sit together and they say, okay, we'll keep the limit of 0.5% and we'll add a line, except with the approval of the competent forest and environment authorities. Why do you have to use the word except? A, give yourself the ability to go beyond 0.5%. Therefore, B, what explains the haste in which you have tried to pass this decision at a time when we have an official confirmation from the Union Environment Minister of his opposition to the proposal, as well as emerging reports that the PMO had advised caution? What explains the enthusiasm to push this forth? I mean, we have 2 weeks. 2 weeks to the election results. You tell me what is the urgency to do this? Do some good for the people. Do some good for poor people 2 weeks
Arnab,
before the results. But you only seem to be
Absolutely.
interested in helping builders 2 weeks
Absolutely.
before the results. You only have to help
Absolutely.
builders.
Now let me answer your question. Let me answer your question here. Number two, a permission has been given by the Election Commission. I think that's something
To
that
hold
perhaps
a
you're aware of.
meeting.
But the more
not to
important
make the
point-
change.
One minute, Arnab. Arnab, let me make the third point. I hope you are aware of this, that the constitution of the NCR Planning Board has chief ministers represented from a BJP ruled Rajasthan, which has not complained.
You just
From a
answer one
Samajwadi
question.
controlled Uttar Pradesh that has not complained.
No, you
Just
please
let me answer.
Please now
There is a
answer one
minute.
question.
There are
No, don't
chief
answer your
ministers of
own
different
questions.
states
Mr. Jha, today you have no
represented there.
answers.
So you cannot
Mr. Jha,
say
the question
that this is a Congress
no,
ruled decision.
Mr. Jha,
This is
the
not a
question is
Congress
very
ruled
simple.
decision.
People are
This
watching
has
you
got all
tonight.
political
People are
parties.
asking you that the UPA government had scam after scam after scam after scam after scam. And one of the
How is
reasons,
this a scam?
you are being pulled to
Has
account is the
something
issue of
been
corruption.
sold like
I am
the Adani
asking you
case?
today that 2
Has
weeks,
something-
2 weeks
No,
before the
I'm asking
election
you a
results are to
question.
come out,
Has
Mr. Jha.
something been
2
sold
weeks.
at a ridiculous low rate? No, you answer me. Has something been sold at rupee 1 at the
Mr.
top
Jha,
rate?
you tell me
Nothing has
what,
been done like that.
you just
please
tell
try to
you tell me you
understand
tell me
that,
one thing. You tell
and
me
why
one
don't
thing.
you ask the BJP? They are part of the decision.
Okay, GVL Narasimha Rao, the
And
question is
Election
very
Commission
simple.
has
The
approved
question is very simple. I am asking you that there are 2 weeks for the next central government to be formed. What is the urgency to do this? Is there nothing else you have to do? GVL Narasimha Rao.
Absolutely, this smells of corruption. The hunger for corruption in the UPA does not seem to have been extinguished. They seem to be still hungry for more money.
Completely
I think the reputation of the minister also has been under a cloud. I think we have had this Nira Radia tapes where the concerned minister was called to be a 15% commission minister, having an ATM ministry. This seems to be another attempt to milk an ATM ministry, anytime ministry. I think this is, ridiculous. I think they are already in the departure launch. This government is on its way out. This is known to everybody. And why are they perpetrating another scam worth 50,000 crores just before leaving?
Why, Rahul?
As you
Why is
rightly
your
said, I think they will have
Rajasthan
to.
chief minister?
No.
Why is your Rajasthan chief minister concurring with
come
the
on,
decision?
your
Why
government
don't they
is in the
protest
departure
against it?
launch.
And don't,
You are in exit gate. You're already
one
sitting at the
minute, and
exit
Arnab,
gate. It's only a
Arnab,
matter
please
of a few
recognize
weeks.
the fact, 1 minute, that the Ministry of Environment, which is by a Congress minister, and very importantly, the Prime Minister's office also said that the NCR Planning Board needs to take cognizance of the decisions. The Prime Minister's office says,
No,
please review
don't.
it. So
I
does
think
the
you're
Ministry of
misreporting the
Environment.
Prime Minister.
No, but
you have nothing.
I don't know what
Planning
No,
Board-
I'm
the Prime
asking you.
Minister's
Give me a
office
minute.
has been
So
reduced
the
to.
NCR Planning Board
let me
decision-
have
Wait,
a
no,
word.
one
has
second.
to be- has to
I
be
am
looked
asking you
at.
today. No, one second. I am asking you today कि प्रधानमंत्री कहाँ है? Where is the government? Where is the Prime Minister? Why 2 weeks before, whether you are in departure lounge or not, there is an election going on. 400 seats have gone to the elections, 190 remain. Do some good for the country. The only good that you can do is to change some land use rules so that some developers have some benefit. I mean, is there nothing to be done? What is the great urgency? I just don't understand this. What is, and it destroys your entire case on Adani. I'd like to get Rahul Narvekar. Rahul Narvekar, why this now? Why this now?
Well, I don't know what is this big.
Print. You are allowed to use 0.5% of land for purposes like tourism.
Why?
Like you're saying
why
that
do you
a decision
add the
taken
except
within
clause?
Why do you have to make those
is wrong.
decisions now?
Why do you add new clauses?